Hello friends, I am Dr. Mrs. Sunanda Bal from KTHM College Nasik. I am from the Department of Statistics and we have discussed in first video of this particular paper uh, the 10 Indian renowned statisticians who have contributed to this particular subject. Further, in that lecture, we have discussed different important statistical institutions in India and we have discussed how statistics is useful in many subjects. Now, in this particular lecture, we are going to discuss Introduction to Descriptive Statistics and particularly what do you mean by population and sample from population. So this is unit 1 in which we are going to discuss the meaning of statistics and how it can be looked as a science. In Marathi we call it as Sankhya Shastra. Then importance of statistics in various fields such as industry, biological sciences, medical sciences, economics, social sciences, management, agriculture, insurance, information technology, education, psychology and many more. Further, in the last video we discussed the important statistical organizations in India and their functions such as Central Statistical Organization, Indian Statistical Institute, National Sample Survey Organization, International Institute of Population Sciences and Bureau of Economics and Statistics. Further, in that video, we also discussed statistical heritage in Indian perspective. That is, we discussed 10 Indian renowned statisticians, Dr. V.S. Huzur-Bazar, Dr. P.C. Mahalanobis, Dr. P.V. Sukhatme, Dr. C.R. Rao and 5 more statisticians who have contributed to the subject statistics in a great manner. Now, we will discuss how this particular word statistics come from. The statistics is the word which is derived from Latin word status. It is also derived from Italian word statistica, German word statistic and the French word statistic. All these word meaning is political state of any country. So the definition of statistics is now one can write it in this way. There are many ways to write the definition of statistics because when you look at one angle, that will be the definition of statistics. So the inclusive definition of statistics will be statistics is all about the collection of data concerning states, that is historical and descriptive. Nowadays statistics has expanded and it has much broader meaning. It is now using all types of data and the methods to analyze the data. So one can write the definition of statistic as statistic is defined as collection, compilation, analysis and interpretation of numerical data, or the science that deals with collection, classification, analysis and interpretation of numerical facts or data, and that by using some mathematical theories of probability imposes order and regularity on aggregates of more or less disparate elements. That is also called as science statistics. Further, statistics is the science of data, and the two important basic concepts we are going to discuss in this particular semester is descriptive statistics, which is this particular statistics uses the data, organize and describe a sample and population, and second thing is inferential statistics, which uses to extrapolate or to estimate from a sample to larger population. That is, from sample quantities we are going to draw a conclusion about population parameters. Further, there are certain branches of statistics in which statistical sampling is one of the branch in which how to draw a sample from the population. Now, why we are going to study this particular subject statistics? So the first and most important thing is when you have a data, there is a variability in that particular observations. So the study of this variability is nothing but study of statistics. And therefore to develop an appreciation for variability and how it affect product, process and system, that can be studied through statistics. Further, statistics is estimating the present and predicting the future by analyzing the data. Further, study methods that can be used to solve problems and build knowledge with the help of statistics. Therefore, statistics make data into information. So, further statistics we are going to study in this purpose also. With the help of statistics, one can develop an understanding of some basic ideas of statistical reliability, stochastic process with the help of probability concepts. Note that statistics is very important in every aspect of the society. Also, it is helpful to government, people or in any business. Now discuss some importance of statistics in different fields so that in future if you are going to have career, you can go and choose that particular field. So statistics plays a vital role in every field of human activity. Statistics helps in determining the existing position, per capita income, unemployment, population growth rates, housing, schooling, medical facilities, etc. in country. Now, statistics holds a central position in almost every field, including industry, commerce, trade, physics, chemistry, economics, mathematics, biology, botany, psychology, astronomy, education, etc. And so the applications of statistics is very wide. Now we shall discuss some more important fields in which statistics is commonly applied. Now this is the description about statistics in planning. So statistics is one of the crucial part of planning. Without statistics, the plan can't be possible. So with the help of data, we are going to analyze the data and we draw certain conclusion what will happen in the future. So statistics helps to do planning in business, economics and at government level also. Almost every governmental and private organizations are using statistics to formulate their policy and to do adequate planning. In planning, one has to understand that statistics is all about the collection of data, and to do solid planning, companies use this data related to production, consumption, birth, death, income and so on. So statistics is helping the countries to do adequate planning, and that is crucial for them. For example, if you see the COVID-19 pandemic, Government of New Zealand has created the plan to fight against COVID-19 and they have successfully handled the situation to get rid of COVID-19. This pandemic shows that the importance of statistics in our day-to-day life. So statistics also very important in business. So statistics plays an important role in business, and statistics are crucial for business to make future decisions. Businessmen collect the data and process with the help of statistics and then make the decisions from the data to make changes in their strategies and policies. Statistics also helps to businessmen to plan production according to the taste of the customers, and the quality of the products can also be checked more efficiently by using statistical methods such as statistical quality control. We can make correct decisions about the location of business, marketing of the products, financial resources, etc. In R&D, that is research and development department of any business, relies wholly on statistics. They use the recent statistics to develop new product and services for business. It helps them to make a decision about the latest product and services, and the company can take the calculated risk on the launch of the product or services. Besides this, business also uses statistics to calculate their profit their employee salary, and so on. In COVID-19 pandemic also increases the use of statistics in business. Now the company is working to minimize its loss in this pandemic situation. Large organizations use business statistics and utilize various data analysis tools. Several tools are used for business statistics, which build on the basis of mean, median, mode, and bell curve, bar graphs, basic probability definitions. These can be employed for research problems related to employees, product, customer services, and much more. So business can successfully rely on the things that is working and what is not working. Statistics is used in economics also. These two branches are very much interrelated with each other. The development of advanced statistics has opened new ways to extensive use of statistics in economics. So every branch of economics such as consumption, production, distribution, public finance uses statistics for comparison purpose, for presentation and for interpretation of data. National income accounts are multi-purpose indicators for the economists and administrators, and statistical methods are used to prepare these accounts. In economics research, statistical methods are used to collect and analyze the data and test the hypothesis regarding certain parameters. The relationship between supply and demand is studied by statistical methods. Import and export, inflation rates, and per capita income are problems which require a good knowledge of statistics. National wealth production, demand supply adjustment, the effect of economic policies are also studied with the help of statistics. Basically, the government uses statistics in economics to calculate the gross domestic product and per capita income. Statistics also used in mathematics, and it is related as well as entirely depend upon statistics. Nowadays, it is turned into the most advanced mathematical theory of integration and measures. The increasing use of mathematics and statistics is building new ways for the development of statistics, that is known as mathematical statistics. Statistics is an essential branch of mathematics, and applied mathematics is a part of statistics that is specialized in data. Computational mathematics is based on advanced statistics. Therefore, it is crucial for programmers to learn statistics along with mathematics. Apart from this, statistics is also crucial for business mathematics. There are a lot of statistics concepts that are applicable in business and accountancy also. The methods used in natural sciences are the most reliable, but conclusions drawn from them are only probable because they are based on incomplete evidence. Statistics also used in social sciences such as history, civics, politics, political sciences, then psychology and geography and so on. Social phenomena are affected to a marked extent by factors multiplicity. Therefore, social science, the variation in the observations from time to time, object to object and place to place can be answered using statistics. So, statistical tools of regression and correlation analysis are used in social science to isolate the effect of these multiplicative factors in every tested observation. Statistics are also used to conduct social surveys, and the social survey uses sampling techniques and estimation theory, which is the base of statistics. Actually, these are the most powerful tools for conducting a social survey. Sociology is a crucial part of social studies, and statistics is also playing a crucial role in sociology. It helps in studying mortality, fertility, population growth, disease, etc. For a given population. Statistics is used in trade. So trade without statistics will be tough and can be devastating for traders. It helps the traders to make wise decisions in uncertain situations. Business is full of risk and uncertainties, and therefore statistics can help them to draw the conclusions and also to take decisions for futures. It is crucial to forecast every step in business because everything is uncertain. So previous records helps the businessman to do forecasting efficiently and effectively. So one can take all the recent statistics into account to predict future situation for any company. So a businessman can anticipate all the aspects with the help of statistics and also helps in determining the prices of various products. In short, statistics help in running business smoothly. It also helps in reducing the uncertainty and therefore it helps in success of the company. So statistics is used in research work to a great extent. So in every research work, the end part will be the statistics. So research work is all about the statistics. The research worker job is to present the data before the community. The research worker uses statistical methods to solve particular problem under different conditions. Statistics are the basics for every research activity and therefore without statistics research is not possible. The researcher should have excellent statistics skills to do a good research. Further, statistics is also used in banking. So statistics plays important role in banking and bank uses the statistics for a number of purposes. This works on the principle that everyone who deposits their money with the bank does not withdraw it at the same time, and therefore there is a continuous flow of money, and the bank earns profits out of these deposits by lending it to other on interest. Bankers use statistical approaches based on probability to estimate the number of deposits and their claims for a certain date.